Looking for a high-quality gaming keyboard that won't take up too much space on your desk? Introducing the Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini is a compact 65% keyboard that's perfect for gamers who want a high-quality keyboard without sacrificing desk space. With its durable construction and advanced features, the BlackWidow V3 Mini is the perfect keyboard for gamers of all levels. The BlackWidow V3 Mini features Razer's renowned green mechanical switches, which provide a tactile and clicky feel that's perfect for gaming. And with its 100 million keystroke lifespan, you can be sure that your keyboard will last for years to come. But what really sets the BlackWidow V3 Mini apart is its compact size. With its 65% layout, the keyboard takes up much less space on your desk than a full-sized keyboard, leaving you with more room for your mouse and other accessories. And with Razer's Synapse software, you can customize the BlackWidow V3 Mini to your liking. You can program macros and assign functions to any key on the keyboard. And the software even allows you to create custom lighting effects. At just £149.99, the Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini is an affordable option for gamers who want a high-quality keyboard that won't take up too much space on their desk. So why settle for a bulky, outdated keyboard when you can have the sleek, powerful BlackWidow V3 Mini? Try it today and experience the difference for yourself. Razer for gamers, by gamers.